Okay, guys, I want to get started as soon as possible today because guess what? Now, you have another test grade that's going to be due for Monday.
Yay!
Yes. I think
I think you guys will really like the test.
Was it easy?
It should be.
Yes.
Okay, we're starting something new today. Okay. What we're looking at for this week, I need you guys to pay attention. We're going to be going through 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay, not all today, but this week. Okay. 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. What that talks about are 3 things. We're going to talk about forces. What is a force? It's going to talk about friction and gravity. And then it's going to talk about Newton's 3 laws of motion. So this is literally 4-1, 4-2, 4-3. The only thing that you're responsible for doing today, okay, is going to be the questions or Cornell notes for this first section, due for tomorrow. We are going to cover all of this week together. I'm going to tell you your test right now. There are 4 things that you need to be able to show and tell me for your test. You're going to have to show me an object that is, moving or not moving. And you're going to have to tell me all the forces that are acting on this moving or not moving object. And if they're balanced or unbalanced. So that's step 1. Okay? Steps 2, 3, and 4. You're going to tell me Newton's first, second, and third laws of motion, and you're going to provide an example for each of those that you see out in the real world. Does that sound like a lot of work?
No, it's not really.
Not really. Like, do you think this is something that could just maybe take a few minutes? Like, once you know it, once you learn it. Okay? You're literally going to show an object and say, okay, well, this has friction, this has, acting in this direction, this has gravity acting in this direction, this has this force applied, this has this. And I think that this is, whether it's balanced or unbalanced. And then you're going to say, Newton's first law is this. Here's an example. And you show it. Here's an example of Newton's second law. Show it. And here's what Newton's third law says. Show it. Now here's the part that I know you won't like, but you know what? This simplifies things a whole lot. This here is going to be a flip grid due for Monday. Yeah. You can tell me and show me all of these in a flip grid. What are you not comfortable with? Have we used flip grid a lot? Yes. And so you don't have to necessarily write a bunch of stuff out. You don't have to answer any problems. All you have to do is show me these 4 things. Yeah. So this is going to be like, here is my coffee cup. It has this force. It has this force. List all the forces that are acting on it. state whether that's balanced or unbalanced. I've already done one.
Wouldn't it be gravity?
There is. But we haven't gotten to all that yet. Okay? Second thing is, Newton's first law says, blah, 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 blah. An example of that is, and then show me the example, whether it's, you know, whether, and this is not correct, but like say you're bouncing a ball, or you push an object, or like, state it, show it, state it, show it, state it, show it. This should be the easiest test on the planet, but if you don't know what you're talking about, you will fail. So make sure that you understand what forces are acting on objects, what it means to be balanced or unbalanced, what Newton's laws are, and what are some examples of those so that I can show that. This is what you're looking for this week is, how can I do this video? How can I do this flip through? You give me these four and the information that are necessary, you show them to me, this should be the easiest test grade of your life.
Can we, let's say we write it all down on a piece of paper, and we get the information from the textbook and write it down on a piece of paper, and on the textbook, we say what's on the piece of paper and all of it.
To some extent, yes. I don't want necessarily want to see a piece of paper. I want to see your examples, and I want to hear you talking to me about these. So if you want to write a script that you're going to follow, yeah, you can do that. But this isn't to create a PowerPoint, okay? Although if you wanted to have PowerPoint slides that show the examples, and you do, you know, several different slides, like 4 different slides, that's all you have to do. But you have to tell me each of these laws, give me an example, show them to me, and give me that first object, whether it's moving or not, and explain all the forces on it and whether it's balanced or unbalanced. Pretty simple. So this is what we have in mind as we're going through this week is, hey, how can I get that information? So go through that first lesson right now to learn about forces, okay? We have 2 more sections this week that we need to cover before you're able to answer this. But this should be a hopefully fairly quick and easy assessment for you guys. When you don't have to study for anything, you just have to make sure that you're able to provide these 4 examples and the information that goes with them. Okay, so I would get to work. It doesn't matter to me whether you are doing things in your textbook, or you're writing stuff out and you want to take pictures. If you want to read in the textbook and answer the questions on a Google Doc, or if you just want to do Cornell notes. Everyone, I'm pretty sure, is going to pick a different option. Pick one of those 3, okay? And you're going to be submitting them to Google Classroom for tomorrow. 4-1. Sorry, 4-3. I have these numbers wrong because I'm thinking it's the start of a chapter and it really isn't. This is the end of a chapter. This is 4-3, 4-4, 4-5. This is the sections that you're looking for. This is what we're doing today. And then later this week we're doing 4-4 and 4-5. Now we will cover all sections by the end of the week. Would you prefer the light on or the light off? Off.